Did you know that in the 1950s, a British engineer named David Weston invented a robot vacuum cleaner prototype that was lost to history before the Roomba took the world by storm? Picture this, a post-war era brimming with innovation, yet amidst the fascination with space travel and atomic energy, an ingenious device designed to make housework effortless was quietly shelved. Weston's creation, named the domestic robot, was a self-propelled machine capable of navigating a room and cleaning it autonomously. Despite its potential to revolutionize household chores, the prototype fell into obscurity, overshadowed by more sensational technological advancements of the time. It wasn't until decades later, when iRobot introduced the Roomba in 2002, that the concept truly captured the public's imagination. The forgotten tale of Weston's invention serves as a poignant reminder that sometimes, groundbreaking ideas are simply ahead of their time.